Hello students, welcome to our online class, Standard 10, continuation of biology, lesson number 6. Today we will discuss one experiment, that is chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Experiment, chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Students, you learned that photosynthesis. Already you learned that the photosynthesis is the food preparing process of plants or food synthesis process of plants. For synthesis food, the plants need the various essential factors. For synthesizing food or preparing food, the plant need various factors such as carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight and water. These are the essential factors need for photosynthesis, preparing the food. Let's start our activity experiment. This experiment given in your NCERT textbook, page number 96, activity number 6.1. So now we discuss that. First, for this experiment we take a potted plants with variegated leaves. Students, this is the variegated leaves. The variegated leaves means the leaves partially green and partially white. Green part and white part. Variegated leaves means, students, variegated leaves means the leaves that partially green and partially white. Example in money plant. Example of this money plant. So for this activity we first take a potted plant with variegated leaves. Potted plants with variegated leaves, partially green, this part green, potted plant with variegated leaves. First we take a potted plants with variegated leaves. The next step, keep these variegated leaves in a dark room for 3 days. Variegated potted, this potter plants dark room for 3 days. First we take a potter plants with variegated leaves. The next step, we keep this plant in a dark room for 3 days. Students, do you know why we keep these potted plants in dark room for 3 days? The reason for that is previously synthesized the starch in the leaves that is completely used up. For that reason, we keep the potter plants in dark room for 3 days. The next step, we will bring our experimental plant in presence of sunlight for 6 hours. In presence of sunlight for 6 hours. First, we take a potter plants with variegated leaves. Then next step, keep this one in a dark room for 3 days. The next step, we will bring again our experimental plant in presence of sunlight for 6 hours. Then the next step, we pluck a leaf from our experimental plant. Pluck a leaf from the experimental plant. Pluck a leaf from the experimental plant and put in a boiled water. Pluck the leaf from the experimental plant. Then the next, put the leaf in a boiled water for few minutes. After that, taken out the leaf from the boiled water and put in a alcohol containing beaker. Students, the beaker containing alcohol. Then taken out the leaf from the boiled water and put into a alcohol containing beaker. Students, when we put the leaf in a alcohol, in presence of alcohol, chlorophyll is removed from the leaf. In presence of alcohol, what happens in presence of alcohol? The chlorophyll is removed from the leaf. You know that? What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the pigment that is given green color to the leaf. When we put this leaf in an alcohol containing beaker, then what happens? The chlorophyll is removed from the leaf and the leaf become decolorized. The leaf become decolorized. Leaf become decolorized. Then the next step, transfer this decolorized the leaf in a petri dish. This is the decolorized leaf. Chlorophyll is removed, then leaf become decolorized, and transfer the leaf in a small petri dish and add 1 or drop of iodine solution over it. Iodine solution, 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution they put over it. Then next step, now we test the presence of starch in the leaves. In small classes, you learn that in presence of iodine, the starch become dark blue black in color. In presence of iodine solution, what happens? The leaf, the starch is present, that part become dark blue in color. Next, last step, put a 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution over the decolorized leaf. Then we can see that the green part of the leaves, become dark blue in color. Green part of the leaf become dark blue in color. This means that the green part of the leaves store starch, and they can able to do photosynthesis in those 6 hours of the sunlight. So from this activity, what we concluded that? The chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Again, first for this experiment, take a water plants with variegated leaves. Next step, keep this one in dark from 3 days. Next, again we will bring in presence of sunlight for 6 hours. The next, pluck a leaf from the experimental plant and put in boiled water for few minutes. Then transfer it into alcohol, and in presence of alcohol to become decolorized, and put a drop of iodine solution over the decolorized leaf. Then last, we can see that the green part of the leaf become dark blue in color. So from this activity, we know that the chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Thank you, students.